Hi, it is power plug adapter, white, for USB ports wall charger, fast charging adapter for 150 countries, multi-port electric plug, Type C, Type A, Type G, Type 1F for UK, Japan, China, EU, European by Sublimeware. Use this 4-port USB charger to 150 plus countries, fits with US, UK, EU, China outlets. This all-in-one travel adapter comes in one piece, and where many USB travel adapter comes in many pieces. This is the only travel adapter you will need. Dual USB is not enough these days. You need a power travel adapter that will charge 2 phones, a tablet and camera when you go travel. Get the 4-port USB power travel adapter today and save the headache. Compatible with smartphones, Bluetooth speaker headset, power bank and USB powered devices. This USB-C power adapter comes with 4 smart USB ports 2x2.4A divided by 2x2.1A. At 3500 mAh. Charge up to 4 devices at the same time, which the ports automatically adapting the output for each one accordingly. Don't you hate when you press the pin sinks back into the travel adapter when you press it in the outlet? This universal travel adapter locks and unlocks the 8 pins securely into its fixed positions. This is not a converter between voltages. Make sure voltage on the outlet and are compatible with the electronics used or getting a voltage converter with this adapter. If you want to know amazing products, please subscribe my channel. If you want to buy this product, check my description box for link. Thank you.